This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about how to clean your piping tips. So if you're using your tips with sticky stuff like buttercream or royal icing, keeping them clean is important. And in general, you want to wash them with warm soapy water. And if you have a sink that has one of those great spray faucets, that's awesome for kind of blasting some of that out. And then you want to use one of these little tip brushes, and you'll notice it comes with an end that's like a paintbrush and this little great one that's like a super tiny bottle cleaner, right? And it's a great thing to have on hand. You can simply use it to get down in there and really clean the small holes and little gaps and nooks and crannies in all your tips, and just really use it to power out any stuck on bits or buttercream. Right. Oh, I'm going to see if I can get the same one up. There we go. And once it's free of any debris, you can use some clean warm water, and obviously you can do this at your sink, to just flush out any of that excess soap or residue. And just always take a look down in there and make sure there's nothing left. Occasionally, because obviously it's kind of like a black hole down there, you might not see if there's some excess down there. And I always lay mine out on a clean paper towel. One, it's going to help them dry by giving you a porous surface to absorb the excess moisture. But also too, if there's any residual, say buttercream or anything that has food coloring in it, you're gonna see it get soaked up on that paper towel. And I can see that really all we've got here is water. So that's fantastic. And the real key thing is, because you're using this soap and it can leave a residue, you really wanna make sure that you flush them out well and you get rid of any of that excess soap or anything else. And if as you're going, you missed a spot on one and you see a little color on your paper, it's easy to pull it back, rewash it again, and you know that you're getting your tips nice and clean and that they'll also dry quickly, which will prevent anything like rusting. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.